Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to fix SnapTube not downloading. This happens when you want to download the music, you want to download the videos, and the app is not working. So what you need to do, you need to click on the app, click and hold, then click on app info. Here the first thing you have to do is to force stop. If you force stop an app, it may misbehave. But you need to click on OK, then you click on storage and cache. Still you will need to clear the cache. Then as you can see, it has turned to 0. You can even clear the storage. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So we'll need to click on delete. We have deleted, now we have cleared the storage. Then you go back, then click on the app. As you can see, we are starting afresh. Click on don't allow. Then here we are setting the language, it is now English. Now we can start using the app. Here when you want to search for something, you click on the search icon. So guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.